The Galaxy Fold and Pixel Fold have become the gold standard for dual-screen phones, but they are far from alone. Going against the flexible panel trend, one alternative dual-screen phone is the Microsoft Surface Duo 2. Unfortunately, the book-like Duo is getting a little dated at almost 2 years old. When might we see the Microsoft Surface Duo 3? Here's everything we know. Microsoft re-entered the smartphone market in 2019 with a dual-screen Android foldable that drew considerable interest. The Surface Duo launched in the subsequent year but encountered noticeable hardware limitations. Despite marked improvements in 2021, further enhancements are needed. A new device is anticipated, but it might not be named or structured like the Surface Duo. Microsoft is potentially considering discontinuing the production of folding phones altogether. Current information implies that Zach Bowden from Windows Central has disclosed Microsoft's decision to scrap the release of the Surface. Instead, the company is redirecting its focus towards introducing a novel foldable device resembling a book in design. This forthcoming model is anticipated to share resemblances with popular foldable models like the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Vivo X Fold, and Google Pixel Fold. Recent reports indicate that Microsoft is shifting away from the current dual-screen design for its upcoming device. They are contemplating a different approach where the device would showcase a standard-sized external phone display that unfolds to reveal a compact tablet inside. Although it might keep the Surface Duo name, a possible renaming is being considered to better suit this altered design. Rumors suggested that Microsoft had finished designing the dual-screen Surface 203, expected to succeed the Surface Duo by late 2023. This new version aimed to include upgrades like a larger edge-to-edge display, wireless charging, and other enhancements. However, Microsoft seems to have chosen to forego this idea and focus on creating a single-screen foldable design instead. Details regarding the specific specifications and features of the forthcoming Surface 203 have not been revealed, and there is presently no confirmed schedule for its launch. As a result, there's a possibility that it might not be introduced in time to rival the expected release of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 later this year. However, it's worth noting that the Surface 203 will still operate on the Android platform. Microsoft is actively working on improving the connection between its Android devices and Windows PCs. Despite already offering multiple features that aid in linking Android devices with Windows PCs, Microsoft is striving to create a smoother user experience akin to the seamless integration seen between Apple's iPhones and Macs. The anticipated price range for the Duo 3 might stay in line with its predecessors, yet recent speculation regarding a potential redesign could potentially alter these expectations. Reports from Windows Central suggest that Microsoft is contemplating moving away from the current form of the Duo 3 and considering a design resembling the book-style approach seen in devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Such a significant shift in design might lead to a potential hike in the device's pricing. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Syndicate, your go-to channel for cutting-edge tech insights. We hope you enjoyed our in-depth coverage of the Microsoft Surface Duo 3 leaks, offering a glimpse into the future of foldable designs. Stay connected with us for more updates, reviews, and exclusive insights on the latest technological advancements. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling content that explores the frontiers of innovation. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the exciting world of tech with Tech Syndicate.